Bon, c'est sûr, il n'y a pas de. Parce que la prochaine chanson, c'est encore une chanson des terroristes. Hein. C'est des mecs de l'IRA dans les années 30-40 qui ont un mauvais coup à faire. Et malheureusement, c'est loin. Enfin, malheureusement. C'est loin, ils ne peuvent pas y aller sans voiture. Donc, il y en a un qui a une idée. Il appelle un docteur anglais et il lui dit venez vite, il y a une urgence. Dr. Johnson, il arrive, avec sa voiture, son automobile, ses lunettes ridicules, ses gags en cuir et tout. Et il arrive, il s'arrête au milieu de la route et il lui dit stop, on te prend ta voiture, merci beaucoup. Et le docteur anglais, il dit putain, quand même. C'était un anglais qui habitait dans le sud-ouest. Il y en a beaucoup chez nous. Putain, con, vous me piquez ma voiture, c'est pas bien. Et il lui dit écoute, on te fait un reçu, quand l'Irlande sera libre, on te rendra ta voiture. Elle est encore au bord de la route, c'est un symbole en Irlande. It was down by Mulligan's Corner, one morning I did stray. I met some fair honourable there, and this to him did say, we're born from the captain to a symbol at Dunbar, but how we they get there without some motor car. But tell me, Johnson, I'll tell you what we'll do. The specials there are penny for the IRA of you. Well, why and all the Johnson, then we set at Dunbar, and they give the boys a shed a good ride in Johnson's motor car. Johnson got him Duncan he then put on his shoes. He said, this is an urgent case, there is no time to lose. He then put on his casket and upon his Mr. Star. You can hear the ding of a dugan fate when Johnson's motor car. But when they got to the railway bridge and the rebels he saw there, he knew the gig was that day him for at him he did stare. He said, I have a permit to travel near and far. You can stick your English permits, we want your motor car. What will my brethren say and when they hear the news? Me carriage has been accommodated, but the rebels at the loose. We'll give you a receipt for it, so signed by Captain Farr. And when Ireland gets her freedom, you'll get your motor car. Yeah, we put the car in motion now in full and steam the brim. With the rifles and its bayonets, it made us on St. Graham. And Barney Hunt should chain for flag and flying like a star. And to give fixes to the IRA and Johnson's motor car. Thank you very much. Bon, un petit coup de flûte tant qu'on n'a pas fait trop de Guinness. Two hornpipes. Thanks. Le problème, c'est que vous avez vu, plus on joue, plus Michel il joue vite. Et voilà, il faut qu'on fasse une pause de temps en temps pour qu'il ait fumé une clope, parce que sinon, on fait une pause. On joue sans lui, en fait. Donc on en profite pour faire des jolis morceaux. Alors, il n'aime pas les morceaux calmes, ça lui rappelle à sa jeunesse, qui est fort lointaine. La prochaine, moi je l'aime bien, elle s'appelle Greenfields France. C'est pas très rigolo, hein, ça part de la Première Guerre mondiale et de la bêtise de la guerre. Mais elle est fort jolie. Et puis on essaie de ne pas faire trop bourrin d'entrée aussi pour pas vous couper ceux qui n'ont pas tout à fait fini de manger ou qui viennent juste de finir. Well, how do you do, Willie McBride? Do you mind if I sit here down by your graveside and sit for a while with the warm summer sun? Been dwelling all day now and I'm nearly done. I see by your gravestone you were only 19 when you joined the great heroes of 1916. And did you die well, and did you die clean? Or Willie McBride, was it slow and obscene? Did you beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife slowly? Did they sound the dead march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flag of the forest? Oh, young Willie McBride, I can help wonder why. Did you leave her a life or a sweetheart behind? When you leave her back when you're only 16? And that faithful heart, are you forever 19? Or are you a stranger without even a name, enclosed forever behind a glass frame, in a lost photograph torn and battered and stained and faded to yellow in a brown leather frame? Do they paint it up slowly? Do they play the fife slowly? Do they sound the dead march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flaws of the forest? How it shines in the green fields of France, and see how the winds make the red poppies dance, and see how the sun shines them under the clouds. There's no gas, no barbed wire, no guns firing now. But still in this graveyard, it's still no man's land. The countless white crosses that be witness stand to man's blind indifference to his fellow kind, to a whole generation, those butchered and banned. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife slowly? Did they sound the dead march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flaws of the forest? Well, young Willie McBride, I can help wonder why. Do all those who lie here know why they died? And did they believe when they answered the call? Did they really believe that this war would end wars? For the killing and dying, the glory, the pain, the killing and dying are all done in vain. For in Willie McBride it all happened again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife slowly? Did they sound the dead march as they lowered to town? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Did the pipes play the flaws of the forest? Thank you very much. T'as fumé alors, Mich? T'as fumé, ça y est, c'est bon? Là, dis-moi, hey, on a presque fini. Peut-être on pourrait faire Masons alors. Ouais. Lark ou Masons? Alors, qu'est-ce que vous préférez? Une jig ou un... Non, c'est un jig, c'est jig aussi, Masons, non? Non, c'est un reel. Vous préférez un jig ou un reel? Jig? Ok. Thank you. And up to the Razor's Fleetsfoot man, burning high and flung, that he who rises to his fate on the bridge of Doom today. They come with vengeance in their eyes, too late are they. For young Roddy McCarthy, he goes to die at the bridge of Doom today. And dream at the Fleetsfoot now a dream, burning bright and young, that he who rides now his fate on the bridge of Doom today. There's never a tear in his blue eyes, both bright and sad are they. For young Roddy McCarthy, he goes to die at the bridge of Doom today. And we of the people now stand clear, a praying gallant man. Upon his backs of a Fleetfoot men, they come a caravan. For Antrim town, a patch the flag of war. For young Roddy McCarthy, he goes to die at the bridge of
Keshick.